Digital Wealth Academy, the ultimate training for building online income streams. Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to escape the 9-to-5, build passive income, or start earning online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you what Digital Wealth Academy is, why it matters, and how it can help you build multiple streams of digital income, even if you're starting from scratch. What is Digital Wealth Academy? Digital Wealth Academy is a step-by-step training platform that teaches you how to build sustainable digital income streams using the power of affiliate marketing, digital products, and smart content strategies. It's not just another online course. It's a structured academy designed to take you from beginner to income earner, covering everything from mindset and marketing to automation and monetization. Here's a quick breakdown of what's inside. Wealth Mindset Reset. Start by rewiring how you think about money, success, and income. If your mindset isn't right, the money won't come. Affiliate Marketing Foundations. Learn how to promote other people's products and earn commissions using ethical and proven strategies. Lead Generation and Funnels. Understand how to attract traffic, build email lists, and create high-converting funnels with ease. Content that sells. Discover how to create powerful content on Instagram, YouTube, and other platforms without showing your face. Automation tools and passive income systems. Set up systems that keep working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Digital Wealth Academy is perfect for beginners who want a roadmap to online income, side hustlers looking to scale, creators and freelancers wanting more automation, coaches or consultants who want to leverage digital assets. You don't need any special skills, just the willingness to learn and take action. Real results, real people. Thousands of students have already gone through the academy, building income streams, quitting jobs, and taking control of their financial future. What makes Digital Wealth Academy different? This isn't a get-rich-quick gimmick. It's structured learning combined with real-world execution. You'll get lifetime access to all modules, weekly mentorship calls, community support, and accountability, templates, tools, and checklists. You don't have to figure it all out alone. We walk with you every step of the way. Ready to start? If you're ready to finally build an income stream that's yours, check out the link in the description and join Digital Wealth Academy today. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Now go build your digital wealth.